Whoa. Hi, my name is Nasib. I'm 9 years old. And I like to play soccer. I'm not, wait, I already said that bad. My birthday's on November 24th, 2000, actually 1999. Um, I, I have 7 kids in my family, 4 boys, 3 girls. Whoa. Sorry, what?
Roll it.
Roll up.
Keep going.
Okay, my favorite color is orange. My favorite food is pie. Pie. Pie is best.
Cheese pizza for me, yo.
What the heck, yo? Man, crab head. Oh, what the?
I'm the mom of your, and the dad of your, and the bucket of.
Stop. That was nothing.
Yeah.
So, what's up? On with the video.
See ya.
What? Nah.
What?